Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious veggie nachos. First, select your favorite sturdy tortilla chips. A bag of about 10 to 12 ounces works well. Spread them in a single, even layer on a large baking sheet. This ensures every chip gets perfectly warm and crispy. You can use classic yellow corn chips, or try blue corn for a unique look and slightly different taste. This foundational step is crucial for amazing nachos. Next, it's time for the melty goodness. Sprinkle about 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese evenly over the chips. A blend of cheddar and Monterey Jack is fantastic. Then, add your warm toppings. 1 can of drained and rinsed black beans and about 1 cup of corn kernels are perfect. Distribute these ingredients well so every bite is packed with flavor. Bake until the cheese is bubbly and golden, usually for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your nachos are out of the oven, it's time for the fresh, cool toppings that truly elevate the dish. Dice 1 large tomato and 1/4 cup of fresh jalapenos for a vibrant kick. Add about 1 cup of creamy avocado or a dollop of homemade guacamole. A generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime juice over everything will add a wonderful, zesty finish. These fresh elements provide a delightful contrast. Your incredible veggie nachos are now ready to enjoy. Serve them right away to savor that warm, gooey cheese. For extra flair, offer a small bowl of your favorite salsa, a dollop of sour cream, or even some pickled red onions on the side. Feel free to customize with other vegetables like bell peppers, olives, or even a sprinkle of your favorite taco seasoning. Get creative and make them uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.